Hello freelancers, in this video, we'll be discussing tips on how to write an effective Upwork proposal that will get more responses. Whether you're a new freelancer or an experienced one, these tips will help you create the best proposals to increase the likelihood of receiving a response. Let's get started. Tip number 1, make sure you read the job description carefully. This is one of the most important tips for writing an effective Upwork proposal. Make sure you read the job description thoroughly and understand what is required from you. Tip number 2, make sure your proposal is tailored to the job you're applying for. Make sure you're writing about the skills and experience you're bringing to the job. This will help the client understand why they should hire you. Show that you understand the client's needs. Do research on the client and try to understand their business and needs. Show that you understand their needs and can provide a solution. Tip number 4, focus on your experience and qualifications. Make sure you highlight your experience and qualifications. Explain in detail why you're the right candidate for the job. Tip number 5, show your enthusiasm. Show that you're excited about the job and why you'd be an asset to the client. Tip number 6, use the client's language. Use their language to show that you understand their needs. This will make your proposal more authentic and personal. Tip number 7, follow the instructions. Make sure you follow the instructions the client has outlined in the job description. This will show them that you read and understand the job description. Tip number 8, make sure your proposal stands out. Make sure your proposal stands out from the others. Use a unique and creative approach to make yourself stand out from the rest. Conclusion? These are the advanced tips to help you write an effective Upwork proposal that will get more responses. We hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and good luck! !